Let's discuss our next topic of the chemical reaction. Types of the chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. If you applied your previous knowledge about the combination reaction, in combination reaction we have studied that A plus B is converted into a one product known as a AB, but in a decomposition reaction, decomposition reaction one reactant is converted into the two product or maybe more. Reactant is, what is a reactant? Reactant which have occurs reaction. Product is a finally which is produced by the reaction. Okay, so how many reactants are there? One. It is split into the two product B and C. So by their name we can also understand that decomposition यानी जो भी कंपोजिट फॉर्म में कोई चीज है, समझ लीजिए कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं, कोई बड़ी चीज है, मतलब एक लकड़ी है, समझ लीजिए ये देखिए, या आपके पास मार्कर है, ये क्या है, समझ लीजिए एक रिएक्शन हो रहा है, मान लीजिए ये प्रोडक्ट है, इसको बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं आप हम लोग। समझ लीजिए आप पहले इस पर ये समझ लीजिए मार्कर है, तो मार्कर क्या है आपका, एक पूरी तरीके से एक पूरा समझ लीजिए एक रिएक्शन है या एक प्रोडक्ट है, इसको ए कंसीडर करते हैं। जैसे इसके ऊपर डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन होगा, ये क्या होगा, स्प्लिट हो जाएगा, यानी इसी के ही पार्ट है, मगर ये क्या हो गया, स्प्लिट हो गया, यानी अपने आप को टुकड़े कर लिए, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द टू प्रोडक्ट, मींस दैट दिस इज अ बी एंड दिस वन इज अ सी, बट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, यानी ए का ही ये पार्ट है दोनों। देखिए ये आपका ए है, हमने इस पर रिएक्शन करा डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन, तो ये कन्वर्ट हो गया आपका बी एंड सी, तो आपका रिएक्टेंट एक था, वो रिएक्शन होने की वजह से उसके वो कन्वर्ट हो गया दो प्रोडक्ट में। अब इस प्रोसेस को हम लोग कहते हैं, या इस रिएक्शन, इस टाइप के रिएक्शन को हम लोग कहते हैं डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। डिकम्पोजिशन मालूम है आपको, किसी चीज को तोड़ना, डिकम्पोज करना, उसको कहलाता है डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। चलिए इसके एक एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन के। डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन का एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन एग्जांपल है आयरन सल्फेट FeSO4 in solid form is converted into the Fe2O3 in solid form plus sulfur dioxide in a gaseous form plus SO3 in gaseous form in the presence of what? Heat. One thing you should to remember it. In decomposition reaction, one reactant is converted into the two product. This is known as decomposition. In example, iron sulfate is converted into the Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus SO3 in the presence of, by the means of heat. This is known as a decomposition reaction. One reactant is converted into the three product. Or it is happened by the heat. That's why it is known as a endothermic reaction. What is mean of endothermic reaction? Any reaction which is happened by the help of the heat. Endo means inside, thermic means heat. कोई चीज रिएक्शन करने के लिए जब हम यूटिलाइज करते हैं, यानी रिएक्शन में हम उसको जब अप्लाई करते हैं, तब उसे हम लोग कहते हैं इंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। इसी के अपोजिट हम लोग पढ़े थे कि एक्सोथर्मिक क्या होता है, ऐसा रिएक्शन जिसके द्वारा, यानी रिएक्शन के आफ्टर में क्या होगा, आपको हीट रिलीज होगा, तब उसे हम लोग कहते हैं एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। और अगर रिएक्शन करने के लिए जब हीट का यूटिलाइजेशन होता है या हेल्प लिया जाता है तब उसे हम लोग कहते हैं इंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। तो इसका एक और एग्जांपल बहुत ही बेहतरीन है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट in the solid form in presence of by the help of heat is converted into the calcium oxide in solid form plus carbon dioxide in a gaseous form. Okay, in this you should also try to apply the previous knowledge, and only one reactant is converted into the two product. This is also known as a decomposition reaction. So let's it is a one example also. This one is the second one, and third one is PbNO3 2 in solid form in the presence of heat is converted into the 2 molecule of PbO in solid form plus 4 molecule of NO2 plus oxygen in a gaseous form, and this is also as a nitrogen gas, nitrogen dioxide, and this our 2 molecule. This is a lead, Pb is lead, but this is a nitrate. But name is not very much complicated. If you are applying your previous knowledge, whatever you have learned in 8th, 9th, Pb means lead, nitrate NO3, this is the lead nitrate, and this is a Pb and is oxygen. This one is known as a lead oxide. Okay, PbNO3 2 molecule in solid form. It is a one reactant. With the help of heat, it is converted into the three product. 1, 2 and this one is 3. So product, how many products have been formed? 3. But how many reactants are there? 1. In a decomposition reaction, in the presence of heat, it is converted into the 2 or more product by the one reaction. This is known as a decomposition reaction. Try to remember one thing more. What is this? This is a heat. In both the question, all the reaction we have used a heat. Heat to produce a reaction. Heat is also known as a therm. That's why it is known as a thermal decomposition. What is known as a this type of the reaction? The decomposition which is occurred with the help of heat, it is known as a thermal decomposition, and it is also known as a endothermic reaction. Why it is endothermic? Because it utilizes the energy or heat. That's why it is known as a endothermic reaction. And why it is known as a thermal decomposition? Because to produce a product, it uses the heat. That's why it's known as thermal decomposition. Okay. Decomposition have a 3 types. First one is a thermal decomposition. To decomposition, we use the heat. That's why it is known as thermal decomposition. And next one is a electrolytic decomposition. In electrolytic decomposition, to produce a decomposition, you have 2 or more products. We have uses the electric currents. That's why it is known as a electrolytic decomposition. So let's discuss our example of this water molecule in liquid form. With the help of electric current is converted into the hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas. If you are comparing your previous knowledge about the decomposition, in this we have a one reactant and we have a 2 product. So it is a decomposition reaction, but by the means of electric current. Okay, let's discuss our third type of the decomposition reaction. This is known as a photolytic decomposition. What? how many types of the decomposition reaction have been studied? First one is a thermal decomposition. Second one is a electrolytic decomposition. In thermal decomposition, to produce a product or to occur the decomposition reaction, we use heat as a catalyst or a reagent, or to produce a decomposition. That's why it is known as a thermal decomposition. In an electrolytic decomposition, we uses to produce a decomposition reaction by the electric current. That's why it is known as electrolytic decomposition. In the third one, that is known as a photolytic decomposition. What is this? Photolytic decomposition. By the name, if you have a previous knowledge about the photons, the sunlight, then you should easily understand that this type of the decomposition will be occurred with the help of sunlight. It is very easy to understand it by the name. Photolytic decomposition means that decomposition will happen, but by the means of photolytic. Okay, let's try to understand this topic, this type of the decomposition by the one examples. Silver chloride, Ag chlorine, is converted into the Ag means silver plus chlorine. Ag, silver, as you know that in a solid, chloride it is in a gaseous form. AgCl, 2 molecule of AgCl is converted into the 2 molecule of Ag plus 1 molecule of chlorine by the means of sunlight. This is important to photolytic decomposition. Decomposition will happen because one reactant is converted into two products by the means of sunlight. That's why it is known as photolytic decomposition. Okay, let's we have one example more. Ag bromide in a solid form is converted into the Ag in a solid form plus bromine in a gaseous form with the help of sunlight. This is also known as a photolytic decomposition. We have deal with the two topics. First one is a combination reaction. Second is a decomposition reaction. In a combination reaction, we have two or more reactant which is converted into the one product. But in a decomposition, it is reverse. One reactant is converted into two or more product. That's why it is known as the decomposition reaction. Combination means combine. Decomposition means decompose, split into this. Decomposition